All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna open a 2008 Topps Moments and Milestones. We're gonna have 2 autographs in this box. There's also, I think, every other box has a 1/1 base card. Every card in the set is numbered to 150. You're gonna get, 3 or 4 blue numbered to 10 cards. A bunch of cards numbered to 25. So, pretty sweet set. Pretty much impossible. I'm sure someone out there is trying to make the whole set, each variation, numbered to 150, but that's not going to be me. We got Gary Sheffield, 2 of 25. Frank Thomas, 17 of 25. And we have an autograph of Josh Anderson.
Rookie. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, rookie autograph for the Braves.
Nice.
Remember, we just got him in that duel earlier. So that's pretty sweet. My last box of this, I got the other young rookie autograph. Wow, looks like we got our autograph back to back. We also have one of the blues. We have a blue Alfonso Soriano, 9 of 10. And our next autograph is Armando Galarraga, rookie, for the Texas Rangers. Well, unless we get an extra one, got a lot of packs to go through, and we'll be looking for blues. We have a 1 of 10 of Scott Kazmir and a rookie card of Jeff Clement. A-Rod. Scott Kazmir, 13 of 25. Ten of 25, Jim Thome. Hunter Pence, 5 of 25, and a rookie card of Radames Liz. Pretty sure I butchered that name. If he makes that card worth a lot of money, I promise I will learn it. Curtis Granderson, 3 of 25. Freddie Sanchez, 13 of 25. Whoa. Whoa. Nine of 10, Pedro Martinez. $22 of 25. Where the heck? Eric Bedard. He didn't help out my fantasy team much this year. I think he was hurt. all year. Vlad, 5 of 25. Eight of 25, John Smoltz.
Nice. Smoltzy.
A-Rod, 8 of 10. That's pretty cool. What?
Even though he is a Yankee.
Yeah, that's true. I forgot. My bad. Screw you, A-Rod. 19 of 25, Manny Ramirez. 21 of 25 of Ichiro. I think we got 4 packs left. $13 of 25, Alex Gordon. 6 of 10, Placido Blanco. I screw his name up first time through every time. $13 of 25, Trevor Hoffman. $21 of 25, Roger Clemens.
At least they're low numbered.
Yeah. 3 of 25, Alex Rodriguez. And a rookie card of Clay Buchholz. Alright, thanks guys.